The first thing you need to do is to open Moodle. You can do this by visiting Manila, manila.donegal.k12.pa.us for the high school Moodle server. Or roundup, roundup.donegal.k12.pa.us for the junior high school Moodle server, or river, river.donegal.k12.pa.us for the intermediate school Moodle. You can also choose the Moodle icon on the Internet Explorer district portal that opens when you open Internet Explorer, or the Moodle shortcut on the high school, junior high school, or intermediate school web pages.
Now you need to log in. In the upper right hand of the screen, click on the blue words Log In. Log in with the same credentials you used to log on to the district network. Once you've typed those in, hit the Log On button. Now you need to add your new course. Under Site Administration on the left-hand side of the screen, click on the word Courses in blue. The folder will open and a blue Add Edit Courses link will appear. Click on the link. In the center of the screen, a list of course categories and the number of courses in each category will appear. Choose the appropriate category for the course you want to add. Click on the name of that category. Once you are in the category, scroll to the bottom and click on the button Add a New Course. This will send you into your course setup. Anytime you see a yellow circle with a question mark, this is an additional help screen. If you click on the yellow button, a new window will pop up that offers more information about that input field. Begin to input the information specific to your course. The category should already be correct. Any input field in red must be changed to reflect the information about your course. The course full name is how your course will appear in the full list of courses. The course short name, or the abbreviated name of the course, is how the course will appear in the breadcrumb links at the top of the screen. Choose something that will clearly identify your course, but also not be too long. The course ID number can be left blank. The summary is just that, a summary of your course. It will appear to students before they enroll in your course. Scroll down. It is now time to choose the format of your Moodle course. My preference is the topics format. This way, each chunk of my Moodle course corresponds to one of my units. Many professors prefer the weekly format, when class only meets once or twice a week. These are the two types of formats that will be the most useful in a K-12 setting. But remember, if you have any questions about what each of these formats is, click on the yellow question mark. You can also choose the number of topics or weeks your course will initially display. If you are unsure, you are able to change this after the course has been created. Not all of these settings need to be altered. The important ones include the gradebook, activity report, and maximum upload size. I do not use the gradebook. All assignment types in Moodle have the option for built-in grading. Considering the district uses PowerSchool, the Moodle gradebook seems redundant, and so I do not allow students to view it. I would suggest choosing Yes for Show Activity Reports. Moodle allows you to run user activity reports, and so, if you need to check if a particular student accessed a particular resource or added a term to the glossary, running this report is an easy way to check up on them. I will show you how to do that in a different video. I would keep the maximum upload size as the default. A larger upload size will apply to the content you are adding to the course or what you are asking students to upload in an assignment submission. Scroll down a little further to continue. Here you can change how students enroll in your course. If you want students to be able to enroll in the course, keep the choice of Yes selected. You will have an option to password protect your course later. You can also choose the dates your course is enrollable. If you choose to do this, be sure to deselect or uncheck Disable to be able to change the date range. You also have the option to change the amount of time a student is enrolled for. Moving on, enrollment expiry notifications do not really matter. The district has not enabled the Moodle messaging service. Students will not get the notification. Scroll again. Groups is applicable only if you want students to be sorted into groups throughout the entire course. It is possible to put students into groups for separate assignments once the course is already created. That will be covered in a separate video. Under availability, you can choose if your course is available to students or not. If not, it would be available to other users, teachers. Here is where you are able to password protect your course. Type your enrollment key in the appropriate field. Students will need this key the first time they enter or enroll in your course. I have a key for all of my courses to ensure the integrity and security of all collaborative activities. You do not need to make any changes to language or role renaming. Once all appropriate settings are complete, your course settings will look like this. Scroll to the bottom of the screen. Choose the Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen, and you will be sent into your empty course. The next video will orient you to the Moodle navigation.